In today's video, I'm going to show you how to compress large video files without losing quality using VLC Media Player. This is a completely free method, works on Windows, Mac, and Linux, and is perfect if you need to reduce file size for uploading, sharing, or saving storage space without sacrificing how your video looks. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future software and productivity tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open VLC Media Player on your computer. If you don't already have VLC installed, you can download it for free from videoland.org. Once VLC is open, look at the top menu and click on Media. From the Media dropdown, select Convert/Save. This will open the Open Media window, which is where we'll start the compression process. Next, click the Add button on the right side of the window. Browse your computer and select the large video file you want to compress. Once the file is added, click the Convert/Save button at the bottom. This will take you to the Convert screen where we'll choose the compression settings. Now focus on the Profile drop-down menu. This is one of the most important parts of the process. For most users, I recommend choosing Video, H.264 plus MP3, MP4. This format gives excellent quality with good compression and works on almost all devices. If you want even smaller file sizes and your device supports it, you can choose Video, H.265 plus MP3, MP4, which offers better compression but may take longer to process. To fine-tune the quality and file size, click the wrench or spanner icon next to the Profile dropdown. This opens the profile settings. Go to the Video Codec tab. Here's where the real magic happens. Look for the bitrate or quality options. If you're using bitrate, a good rule of thumb is to reduce it gradually. For example, cutting the bitrate in half will usually reduce the file size significantly while keeping quality very close to the original. If you see an option for constant quality or CRF, use that instead, as it provides better quality control. Lower values mean higher quality and larger files, while higher values mean smaller files. Optionally, you can adjust the resolution in this same Video Codec tab. For example, converting a 4K video down to 1080p will dramatically reduce file size, but keep in mind that this does technically reduce quality. If you want to keep as much quality as possible, it's best to leave the resolution unchanged. Once you're happy with the settings, click Save to apply them. Back on the Convert screen, click Browse to choose where you want to save the compressed video file. Give it a new name so you don't overwrite the original file, and make sure the file extension is set to .mp4. After that, click Start. VLC will now begin compressing your video. The progress bar will move as the conversion runs, and the time required will depend on your video length, resolution, and chosen settings. Once it's finished, navigate to the destination folder and check your new file. You should see a noticeably smaller file size with very little or no visible quality loss. And that's it. You've successfully compressed a large video file without losing quality using VLC. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with anyone who might need it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.